Dear friends, we are going to have a brief introduction about Screencast-O-Matic software, and we are going to see how to prepare a video for our lab demonstrations and procedures. So in this case, I want you to go to Google search and type for search for Screencast-O-Matic. So once the search results are displayed, so please go to the Screencast-O-Matic website. So now you can find the option for start recording here. So please click the start recording options. So which will take you to another page where you have two options. One is for launch recorder, another one is for the Go Pro. So in case of Pro, you have many advantages. So but for our cases, first we are going to try only with that free package that is available for recording our videos. So please click the launch recorder option, and once you click that one, it will start downloading the Screencast-O-Matic package software, and it will automatically launch the recorder. And you can see recorder option open on your desktop automatically. In the record option that opens automatically in your desktop, you can see a page like this. So this shows the outer boundaries of your video page. So whatever that is available within this limit is going to be recorded as my video. It is going to be available for my students to see that. So here you can see a black box available. So in the black box you can see three options. One is a screen. So the second one shows a webcam, and the third one that includes a screen and a webcam. If you want to record only the materials that are visible only in a screen, if you want to record the materials that are available only in a screen, so please click the screen option only. And if you want to give a live lecture, and if you want to show some practical demonstrations, please click the webcam. And if you want to have a both, so you can go for that one, in which case you can see the PowerPoints or any other content that are available in the desktop as well as the webcam, both are available. And I believe for the free package what we are going to use that now, so this option is not going to be available. So for our case, to start with, so I want you to click that screen option. So once the screen option is selected, so your screen will be there. So then the next thing is you have to choose the boundary. So the area which you want to record, so choose, you can scan as contrast the boundary. So once the boundary is ready, so boundary is ready, keep your PowerPoints or PDF or video files which you want to record it as a video in your ready in your desktop. So ready in your desktop, and then you can start the recording options. Now I want to display my PowerPoint explanations for my class. So here you can see, so that I have a PowerPoint file for C programming. So C programming. So whatever that is visible or whatever that is within the limits of the boundary I have selected is going to be visible to you also, and is going to be visible to our students in future. So now I'm going to the slideshow option. So you can go to the slide source. You can move each and every slides. You can explain each and every steps or content in every slide. So each and every, and you can go for any number of slides. But the limit is, the maximum record time is 15 minutes for this video recording option. So that is available for free. So you can go to that slides, you can go for any options, and if there is an edit option that is available below, and if you want to draw anything, so you can also draw like this. So you can show some highlights, some important points, or all these options are available. So to explain a PowerPoint. So now, and if you want to change to a PDF file, so you can open the PDF file that is readily available in your desktop. You can open the PDF file that is readily available in your desktop. So you can have a book or any content materials. You can scroll over it. You can explain each and every material that are available. So even if it is in a Word format also, whatever that is displayed in your desktop is going to be recorded along with your voice. And again, if you want to record a video, open a video file that is available or kept readily in your desktop. So now you can play the video. This video will also be recorded along with your PowerPoint, along with your PDF, along with your voice. This is one of the beautiful videos what we have reviewed in a long time. Brought in the post paper by Simple, and it's the most inspiring video what I like and want. So in this way, either you can play with you can explain with a PowerPoint, or you can play a video, or you can explain with a PDF or a Word file, anything along with your voice. So once the recording is over, just click the stop button that is available below your screen, and once the stop button is clicked, so you can there is an option to go for done. So that is an option available as done, that is available in the same bar where the record and stop buttons are available, and you can click the done button. So the recording will be over then. So once done is clicked, so automatically go to another it will give another option whether to publish or not. So you can click as save as video and then click publish. So the video will be saved and published and will be available in a VLC form. So I believe this will be useful to you for your laboratory classes. Thank you.